Welcome to SWmobile July Meetup. Just going to go through a few intro slides just to tell you a bit about us and what we're going to talk about tonight. I'd just like to first off thank Candide for hosting us and David in particular for coming in last minute and offering the venue. Yeah, appreciate it. So if you're into gardening or plants, they've got a brilliant app on the App Store, so go and check it out. And it's written in React Native, so it's an app for tonight. Okay, for the people who are new to the group, who are we? We're a mobile focused meetup group. We had our first meetup in 2012. And what you see tonight is a typical meetup where we have 2 to 3 talks. We supply food and drink, as you can see at the start, and then we go to the pub at the end and we buy the first round of drinks and continue the discussions there. We're also looking for sponsorship this year, just to sort of pay for the food and drinks and some of the venues sometimes. So if your company is recruiting and you'd like to see your name up on the slides here, then just contact one of the organisers. We're always looking for people to help out with organising, volunteering. So if you want to be part of this group, then yeah, just give us a shout, and yeah, we'd be more than happy to let you join in. We've also got a YouTube channel, and Christoph kindly films for us and uploads the videos. So if you ever miss a meetup and you want to go back and check out some talks, hopefully they'll be up here. So yeah, just find us on YouTube. We've also got a Slack group. If you're not a member of this, then get in touch with one of the organisers and we'll invite you. Yeah, it's really useful just for discussing jobs in the market or just bouncing ideas off each other. So yeah, it's not really busy if you're wondering about spam, but yeah, it's a great place to chat. So what are we going to talk about tonight? We've got the first talk from Tom and Charles. This is about using Expo to go from zero code to App Store submission without Xcode and Android Studio. So yeah, this might be a first for SWmobile in that they're going to do some live coding. So yeah, might be the demo curse, but hopefully not. So I'm looking forward to that. Then we're going to have a 5-minute break, and then David's going to talk about the conference he went to, which is app.js, and some of the takeaways that he got from that all around universal apps. We've got a call for papers link, so if you've got a talk, whether it's your first talk or you're an experienced speaker, then it would be great if you could go to this link and submit your talk. And yeah, we're always looking for talks. That's one of the hardest bits about meetups, is getting people to stand up and chat. So yeah, it'd be great if you could submit your talk and we can schedule in for one of these meetups. So what have we got next? Nothing for August, which is nice for us because we can just go on holiday and enjoy ourselves. But yeah, as you know, lots of people on holiday in August, so we just have a break. And then we're coming back in September. We're not sure what we're talking about yet, but as I said, if you've got a talk, let us know, that'd be great. Okay, so we're going to the King Street Brew House afterwards. It's just across Queen Square if you're not familiar with it. So yeah, we usually sort of leave as a group, but they'll just follow one of the organisers over, or the crowd, just go across, and it's at the end of King Street. As I said, we'll get the first round, so yeah, hopefully we'll see you there. That's it. Just before I finish, just to let us get set up for the talk, we usually do an icebreaker. So if you're willing, in a minute I'll get you to stand up, and if you just turn to the person on your right and introduce yourself, and maybe ask a few questions like where do you work, what's your interest in mobile, and yeah, hopefully that will give us a bit of time to set up. That's it, thanks.